Hi, good evening all. So in this tutorial, we will learn HTML links. So I'm just open this Notepad++. So in this tutorial, we'll learn HTML links. This HTML links, this HTML links. So here we can create links to other pages using HTML. So we can create links to other pages using this HTML. A link or a hyperlink, so we call it as a hyperlink. This link is connection from one resources to another resource. So here hyperlinks will be generated like if you click or by clicking or tapping on the hyperlink, it refers to another page. So the link has two ends. The link has two ends. So we call it as anchor tag. So we call it as anchor. So how do you create this link? The link syntax will be follows like this. The anchor tag close. Like this we can create the link. In the anchor tag itself, we can create href here. Href stands for hyperreference. So here the most powerful is href. This href is a like it will transfer one resource to another resource. It transfer the users. When you click on this hyperlink, it will transfer the user to one resource to another else, or else we can create, that is we can connect the two pages using this hyperreference. So in this hyperreference we use the URL here. We use URL, anchor tag, href, URL, anchor tag close. So like this, we can create hyperlinks in HTML. Now, an unvisited links. There are in the hyperlinks, we have unvisited links, visited links, that is active links, and we have link. Link is unvisited. Visited means if you click on this visited, that link will be visited. If you click on this one, there will be active, that is a focus on this link, that will be active. So here unvisited link is a underline and blue color, and visited link is underline on purple color. If you write active link, it is a underline on a red color. So like this we can use these links, we can color up these links, we can color these links, using pseudo classes. Using pseudo classes, we can color up these links. So here we just use this link here. Link is a unvisited link. It is for underline and blue color. So here we can write visitor link. So if you write the visited link here. So don't worry, the pseudo classes will be explained at the time of CSS. So here we can use these pseudo classes to color up our links tags. That is, we can color up your anchor tags here. So I'm just using hover here. Hover is when you mouse hover on this one, there you get some colors for this color elements. So here, last one we have the active. So like this we have this links here. In this is a hyperlink. So I'll just show the example for this hyperlinks here. Open this Visual Studio. So here I'm just creating a new program. Save with links, hyperlinks .html. So look at this here. The hyperlinks is not apply for only. It is not apply for only the text. So it is also applied for images, headings, like any of the elements. We can apply the link tags. We can change the links. We can apply on the buttons also. So here I'm just created a new program, and we don't want to this one. I'm just removing this one, or else you can put it in the comments. Now here we just change this title to HTML links. So HTML links here. So after that, we just create link here. I'm just creating the anchor link. So you look at this one. Anchor links are calculated. You can write like this: anchor, open, anchor, close. The anchor links have two ends. So here in the href, we can keep the URL here. For this URL, we can write here. I'm just writing the Google. So I'm just copy this Google. I'm just copy the Google URL. So here, so I'm just copy this Google URL. Open this Chrome here. So here, just enter Google. So if you enter this Google, you look at this, you have the Google search here. So click on this Google search. So now there you get google.com here. So I just copy this one. I just copy this one and paste it in our program. So here we just pasted inside of this one href. So like this, we can share. We can give the link in the href. Now we can run this on the browser. If you run this on the browser, look at this. They're having the Google here. They're having Google here. Look at this one. This is a unvisited link, like they got blue color. If I visited this link and just click on this link, see, look at this one. They're having the red color. This is a visited link having underline, that is red color. This is an active link. See, look at this one. If you click on this one, so there you get the Google here. So like this, we can create the link here. If we go back, if you go back, there you find the link here. So like this, we can create the link tag. Like this, we can create the anchor tag, and we call it as, so this one we call it as hypertext. Hypertext. Not only anchor tag, we can give links to paragraphs, we can give links to h1. So like this. So here I'm just typing. So I'm taking the paragraph. So here, instead of paragraph, we can give the link tag here. So here I'm just writing. So this is paragraph link. This is paragraph link. Paragraph link. So we can create paragraph as a link here. So here I'm just writing, this is paragraph link. If you run this one on the browser, so right now we don't have any link here. So we just created this one. So if you click this one, nothing will happen. So here, if you didn't find any URL, so we can place hash here. So hash is a tag which will refresh the page. So if you find any URL, then you can put the hash symbol instead of URL here. A note here. So we can put hash without having URL. So here I'm just place one more URL. So go to here. I'm just taking the dummy text. I'm just taking the dummy text. Click on this dummy text. Now there you get link here. Now just copy this one. I'm just copying this link and paste it in our program. So here we just pasted inside of this program. Now we can run this one on the browser. So go to here and refresh this one. Just click on this one. Look at this. There we're having the link here. So like this, we can create links here. Next, we can also apply this anchor tag for headings also. Here I'm taking the h1. So inside of h1, I'm taking the anchor tag. So for this anchor tag, so here we can write, so this is heading. So this is heading. So anchor tag will also apply for images also. So we can also apply for the list items. So we can also apply every element. We can also apply this anchor tag. So anchor tag we can apply for all the elements, all the available elements in the HTML. So here I'm taking, this is a heading. This is a heading link. This is a heading link. Look at this one. We are creating the heading link. So if you refresh this one, like this. So like this we can create the heading links on paragraphs on normal hypertext. So like this we can create the links here. So this is a link. Now I just created one more program. So here I'm just created one more program. Or else, so look at this one. I'm just removing this one. So here we need to place link here. For placing this link, so how to apply the colors for the link items? How can you apply the colors for link items? So here for applying the colors in the link items, this anchor tag is the inline element. Note here, anchor tag is the inline element. Like we can take the n number of anchor tags, it will be displayed on the side by side manner. Like because it is a necessary with occupying, it is a inline in it is a inline in nature. So by default, it is a inline nature. So here I'm taking one more. So here I'm taking one more website. So click on this one, Pixabay. So if you click on this one, so there you get the pixabay.com. So I just copy this one and paste it in our program. So here I'm just pasted. So here in the H1 itself, we just pasted here. Now we just pasted here. Just refresh this one. So we just pasted here. We just pasted in the H1 itself. Now we need to give colors for, so we need to give colors for this H1. So look at this one, just refresh this one. So if you refresh this one, so there you get purple color. So look at this one, there you get purple color. Purple color indicates stands that so you are visited this link. So here I'm just giving the colors for this anchor tag. So here now we can take the color. So how to apply the colors for anchor tag itself? Using the pseudo classes we can apply. So here I'm taking internal style sheet. So here I'm taking the internal style sheet. I'm taking the internal style sheet. So for this internal style sheet, we can write the style tag. So inside of style tag, we write the anchor tag. So here I'm writing I'm just writing the link here. Link is a tag that refers to unvisited link. So here I'm just writing the color I'm writing black. After that, so look at this one. So if you want to remove this line, this is a text, right? If you want to remove this underline for this text, so we have a property in the CSS like text decoration. We have a text decoration. So here we have none here. If you run this one, they're having it remove the line from the text here. Next we have apply background color. I'm just apply the background color. So I'm just applying this background. So here I'm just taking orange red. So I'm taking the orange red here. Now we can refresh this page. We can refresh this page. So look at this one. They're having the link. They're having the unvisited link. Unvisited links are, if you give the color, it will apply. So look at this one. I'm just apply this color also. So I just apply the color. I'm just giving white color. I'm just giving the white color itself. Now we can run this one on the browser. Why it's not working? Sorry, I'm just giving the, so now we're just giving the color as a block, right? We just change to white here. We just change to white here. So we don't want to block here. I'm just giving white. Now we can change this one. So if we refresh this one, so it's not working. Okay. So this is a link, right? So here I'm just removing this one. Now, so we can write the anchor tag visited. If we write the visited, once visited, see here, I'm just change the background color. I'm just change this background color. So background. So for this background, I'm just take this pale green and I'm changing this color to black. So here I'm just changing this color to block here. Block. Now, if you click on this one, so we don't want this text decoration. So we don't want this text decoration for this visited. So if you want to place text decoration for this visited, you can place here. Just place this text decoration. So here we have a values like underline. So here I'm just taking underline. I'm taking this underline. Now you can run this one on the browser. See, if you run this one on the browser, look at this one. If you visited this one, so there you get pixabay here. Go back. Next we have. So if you visited this one, there you have. So here, see, look at this one. So I'm just write hover animations. So here I'm taking this hover. For this hover, I'm just taking here. So I'm just writing the same color, just writing same. So here I'm just mention this one. Look at this one. So here I'm just changing this one to deep pink. So I'm just writing the deep pink here. Now we can run this one on the browser. If you refresh this one, now if you hover on this one, there you get deep pink, and as we expect the text decoration underline here. So like this we can expect this hover. And here also I'm just taking, so here I'm just taking this comma separator. So don't worry, we'll explain this time. So next chapter we'll explain that selectors and comma select. So here I'm just using the comma selector. So after that I'm taking, this is a hover, right? I'm just taking the active also. For this active also I'm giving the same color. Now we can run this one. There you get the same. See, there you get the same here. So we can also change this color. So we can also change this color to white here. So if you want white, we can put it on and white. Now we can run this one on the browser. See, look at this one. If you run this one, see, look at this one. There you have the white. So like this, we can apply the colors for this anchor elements. Look at this anchor element. If you click on this link, it will be open in the same page itself. So no, if I click on this link, it will be transferred to the next page or next window itself. So for this purpose, so we are using, so for setting the target attribute, for the links, it is easily transferred to the new web page. So here the target attribute that tells to the browser where the open the linked, where we can open the linked document. So here there are four defined types of target elements. The each target having starts with underscore. The each target elements is starts with underscore. So here for this target elements we have, so we can use these target elements like target underscore. So here we can use this one target equal to, so we can use this like this. So here in this we having underscore blank here. Target underscore blank states that, so target underscore blank states that it opens the link document in new window or another tab. It will open the link in new tab or another window. It helps to the user open in the new document using this target underscore blank here. Next we have target parent. So we have, I'm just taking one more element. So one more, there is a four types will be available, right? So here I'm taking the target equal to underscore. So here we have underscore parent. So we have underscore parent. This parent link will be opens in the linked document. It in the parent window. It is used for this anchor tag open in the parent window. Next we have target. Next we have target. For this we can use a self. So here underscore I can use the self here. This self. this self opens in the linked document in the same window or same tab itself. It will open the source document by default. So here we have one more element, that is a target equal to top underscore top. In the top of the URL, this top, it creates a file on the, so it will open the file on the full browser window. In the top of the document, it will rotate it. So I will show the example for this target elements. So look at this one. So here, I'm just writing. So we can use the underscore target underscore blank here, underscore blank. See, look at this one. If you write the target underscore blank, refresh this one and run this one on the browser. Look at this one. The program remains same and it will open in the new window. If you click on this one like this, it will be open in the, so every click it will opens in the new window. Like this, we can create this target underscore blank here. So I will show the three examples for that one. So here, I just remove this one. We don't want this one. We just put it in the comments, or else we can remove this one. So just remove this one. So we just remove this one, and also we can remove this one also. We don't have this one. So I just remove this anchor tags. Now we need to here. I just created one h1 tag. So for this h1, so here we just created Google here. We just created Google. Next we have, so I just created an anchor tag. So in the anchor tag, so I just created anchor tag. So I'm just created anchor tag. In the anchor tag, inside of anchor tag, we can take image tag here. So the image tag will be explained at the time of, the image tag will be explained at the time of images. Like coming chapter will explain, next coming chapter will explain about images. So image can be taken like this image tag, and in that we can provide src, that is a resource path. In that image is having the alt attribute. Alt is indicating that alternative text, while the image is not displayed on the browser at the time, it will be displayed alt tag. So here I'm just writing the flower dot png. So I'm writing the flower.png. So here I'm taking flower. I'm taking the flower as alt here. So we can write flower.png in the anchor itself. Now we should write here the target underscore parent window. It will be open in the parent window itself. Here we can write the anchor tag. So here we can write the anchor tag. So inside of this, we can create anchor tag. So here I'm writing the Google link here. Just close this one and can paste it. So we can remove this one and paste it here. Now I just pasted. Now we just pasted here. Now here we need to place URL link here for this Google. I'm just open this one. So here we need to click on this google.com. Google.com. So click on this google.com. So there you at google.com here, and copy this link and paste it on this one h1. So here just paste it on this here. Now, so in this here we can use this target. So we can use target underscore blank here. So we can use target underscore blank for h1. Now we just created one more program, like I'm just creating h2 here. I'm creating the anchor tag. So inside of anchor tag we can give, this is the dummy text and this is a dummy text here. I'm creating dummy text here, dummy text. Now here, so we just give as symbol. So or else if you want to give this dummy text, so go to this Google and copy this dummy text here. We're just typing dummy text. So click on this dummy text. So I'm just entering dummy text here. So if you click on this one, if you there you get the link here and just copy this link. You just copy this link and paste it here. We just pasted here. So here I'm just writing the target attribute. So here we can write the target attribute, target equal to underscore parent underscore parent. Now we can run this one on the browser. So look at this one. I'm just run this one on the browser. So I'm just reduce this size here. So look at this one. So they're having this Google and dummy text and image here. I'm just clicking this image tag. So look on this one. Look at this one. This is opening in the parent window itself. That is the use of the parent here. So we can raise the target. So here I'm just clicking on this one. It will be open. So it will open on the same page. So here we just write the target underscore blank here. So here we just write. So here I just missed the spelling. I'm just writing target underscore blank here. Now, so here we just write. So here we just write the top here. We just change this top. Now we can run this one on the browser. So if you run this one on the browser, look at this one. If you click on this Google, it will go to the next page. Now I'll just close this all the one. So here I'm just closing this one and this one also. We just close this one. We just close this one also. So look at this one. If you click on this one, it will be open in the new window. And this is a parent. We can click on this one. It will open in the parent window itself like this. And just so if you click on this dummy text, look at this one. It will be open in the top of the page, like this. So this three will be work here. So self means by default it will open in a self document. So like this, the links will be worked in the HTML. So we have links tags. Like we can write the target blank, target top here. So in the links, we can also generate bookmarks here. The bookmarks will explain coming chapter. So this is an example for anchor tags.